Benn Shreiber, welcome on virtualization.com. You're the Senior Director at Citrix of the Zen product group.
Yes.
Could you tell us something more about that?
Sure. I was with ZenSource before Citrix acquired ZenSource. Part of that acquisition, at ZenSource I built the Technology Partner Program, and by the time we were acquired by Citrix, there were between 60 and 80 partners in the partner program. Since the acquisition, we've grown that to about 200 partners, including both hardware and software partners, and many of them are now delivering their products to market. And so my focus is largely on working with technology partners, but also on some new business directions, including cloud computing, which is why I'm here today with you.
Okay. How did the acquisition by Citrix help you in the partner programs, both with the technology partners as in the partner channel and the vendors that Citrix had out there?
So on the technology partner side, it really helped us a lot because Citrix brings with it a lot more credibility than a small startup had, and it was much easier for us to recruit new partners. At the same time, Citrix had additional resources to apply to it, so rather than having myself in the technology partner program at ZenSource, we now have a team of people working on business development with our technology partners, and so we're able to do a lot more. Citrix has a lot of activities, business development oriented activities with these partners. We have channel partner activities, and we also have activities that tie our channel and our technology partners together, which is a huge win because now our technology partners get to market directly to our sales force, which is the channel, and that's the biggest win of all from the perspective of technology partners and this acquisition.
What features are the partners asking for, the technology partners?
So the key thing that they like about Zen Server is the API, because with the API you can manage the complete system. We have no hidden APIs. Everything that our management GUI Zen Center does is done through the API, and it's extensible, and so we've worked with our partners to extend it in ways that are important for them so that their products can integrate with ours. And our storage partners especially like it because we allow them to expose the features of their storage subsystems that aren't that on some platforms they aren't able to expose because they're masked over by a file system. Today in Zen Server we have a lot of security features. We have more planned to go in the future. Today we have a single sign-on into the system. We're adding Active Directory integration, so you'll be able to use your Active Directory credentials to log onto the system, and with single sign-on from Zen Center in the case of that system being in a domain as well. The Zen hypervisor itself is an open source project and has been broadly scrutinized by the security community, and in fact NSA, DoD, and other security organizations are contributing features to the open source Zen to enhance the security in areas that they need to be addressed. We've had, obviously, like most pieces of software, there have been some security issues that have popped up. They're always addressed very quickly. We get features, bug fixes out to our customers very quickly, and in fact we have an integrated mechanism in our management GUI to apply the hot fixes to a set of servers quite quickly with a couple mouse clicks.
And that's on the fly?
That's on the fly.
Where do you see this whole virtualization, cloud computing thing go?
I think this is going to be a really long, multi-year transition, 5, 7, 10 years. There's going to be a lot of early adopters. There are a lot of early adopters, and by the way, Citrix is also in the cloud with GoToMyPC and GoToMeeting, so we're out there today providing cloud-based services. But initially, I think the early adopters are going to be people who want to have spillover capacity, and the cloud's the easiest way to provide it. There's going to be innovative applications and tools provided to make it easy for customers to perform that spillover, to turn services off when they're done, and to do accounting for those services. And that will be early adoption. Over time, we'll see more creative uses, and as people get more comfortable with the cloud, we'll see more and more corporate assets that aren't core critical assets moving to the cloud because of the huge financial win of doing so. And with startups, I think that those are the companies that will start there today and grow there. They may choose to move some of their corporate assets inside, some of their financial assets, but in general, I think the startups will be there first. Other companies will do it with new projects, and over time, they'll start to move other projects out there as they become more comfortable with it.
Ben, thanks for your time, and hope to see you soon. Bye.
Okay, great, thanks.